Can you read it, this question?
Circular coil, yes. Circular coil of 5 turns, radius 0.1 meter, carries a current of 1 ampere. Calculate the magnetic field at its center. If the coil is placed in magnetic meridian, calculate the resultant field at the center of the coil. So I calculated the magnetic field at the center is going to be 3.14 on 10 minus 5 Tesla.
Okay, so B is equals to, let me write first. B is equals to 3.14 into 10 over minus 5 Tesla. Is it clear?
Yes, and then if the coil is placed in the magnetic meridian,
Magnetic meridian. What does it mean, magnetic meridian? Coil is placed in the magnetic horizontal. Correct na? So there are two field is there. One is the coil is vertical direction, because this field will be perpendicular to the plane of the coil, and another field is horizontal, that is the earth magnetic field. Is it clear?
Okay.
Earth magnetic field.
Okay, so now just need to calculate resultant.
Correct na?
Okay.
Calculate the resultant field at the center of the coil. If the coil is now turned 90 degree from its former position, 90 degree, correct na? Then what happened? Both the field.
Then you just need to add.
Add, yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
And then what is the magnetic field is given here? Please look here. Magnetic field is given.
Yes, I saw.
So now it is, now you can do na?
Yes, this resultant. I want you to do with you this resultant.
This resultant.
Like if you
see, the resultant is angle is 90 degree.
Yes, so you do.
So
like
two vector. No. Tell me what is the resultant formula? You know, I have already taught you.
Square root of 3.14. Basically, like you need to do b square plus e square.
Yes, because of 90 degree. If 90 degree is not there, then you have to take cos theta, 2ab and cos theta also.
For some reason, I was not coming out the same answer for me.
10 per power 5 I have taken the common. 10 per power minus 5. Correct na? Your how much it is not coming out?
1 second. 3.14.
1 second. Let me just calculate.
I think maybe I took direction wrong or something.
3.14 square plus 3.6 whole square. 3.6 whole square is equal to 22.81. Square root of 22.81. 22.81. 4.7. It is coming now. Exactly, it is matching.
Yes.
Okay. If the coil is 90 degree, it is bent. So it will, both the field will be same na?
Yes. So you just add it.
Yeah, we will add it. Correct na? So you see that this and this, if you add this, both you come together.
Yes. But they also have the fourth one. You see, they have the fourth answer. So what is this one?
If the coil is now turned through 90 degree, its former position means first position. So it is, both the field is acting on the opposite direction. Is it clear? Former position means then once we have taken both the field. See, Listen, this is the coil. This is the
Mm-hmm.
kept in the magnetic field. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Magnetic meridian.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right or not?
Yes, yes.
What is this one? This is the direction. Can you see my video or not clearly?
Yes, 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 I can see.
This is the what? This one what? This is the coil. This one is what is the direction of the pen? Oh, sorry. What is the
This
direct
is a magnetic field
magnetic field by whom? This coil.
by the, yes, yes, by the coil.
If I turn the, see, listen. This B will be in which direction? This direction. Suppose this direction. B is in this direction. Correct now? If I turn 90-degree this coil like this, see the coil magnetic field and B will be in the same direction. We will add both. Correct or not?
Yes, yes. So then we
But
will
but
get
but
the
but
point.
look here. If this is the original position, if I turn like this,
I understand what you mean. Okay, so then you need to minus.
subtract, yeah. So it is this one.
Okay, now I understand.
Now understood na? See clearly means you can visualize this one. Okay, good.
Yes.
Good.
Okay. Can we do this question number
You tell me any questions, I will do
10?
whatever you.
Question 10.
Question number 10.
Yes. You see it?
No, I am seeing, just I am trying to bigger it because my eye is little bit weak. Yeah.
A current of 5 ampere flows through a circular coil of 500 turns, radius 5 centimeter. Calculate magnetic field at center. This is easy. And then at the point 12 centimeter away from the center of the coil along the axis.
Yes, we have learned the formula, na? Axis, we have learned the formula.
Yes. But when I try to do this formula, it doesn't come out also for some reason, and I was not getting the answer.
Okay. See, this is the center, correct na? How much distance it is telling you?
12 centimeter.
1 second. The current 5 ampere is there. Let me write the data. Please tell me the data.
So it's current flows 5 ampere, circular coil 500 turns.
I is equal to 5 ampere. Radius is equal to?
Radius is 5 centimeter.
So 0.05 meter. N is equal to?
500. And basically point is 12, so D is 12 centimeter.
D is equal to 12 centimeter means 0.12. Have you taken everything in this one or not?
Yes, I think so.
Because meter is there. Please listen here.
Yeah, I know.
Good.
Let me see. Yeah, I took.
Okay, let us see what formula you have applied. Can you tell me?
Yes, so B is equal to mu divided mu 0 on 4p, and then multiply.
I will write just one second. B is equal to mu 0 divided by
4p.
No, mu 0 I n r square divided by 2 r square plus d square. This is the formula. I think you have noted somewhere something wrong.
Okay.
Just
mu
maybe.
I.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. This I did a different formula for some reason.
This is the formula, na? Correct formula. Just.
Okay. I wrote down a different formula.
I have wrote down mistake or you have did?
Okay.
Okay. So now shall I do it? I don't think
No. It's I mean, then it's easy. I just for some reason had the wrong formula.
Okay.
Okay. Can we do just there was some question where. Okay, let's do like question 11.
11
Magnetic
also you want to do?
A magnetic field at 2 points of axis circular coil distance 0.05 meter and 0.25 meter from center, ratio 8 to 1. What does it mean, ratio 8 to 1?
See, there are 2 points is there. 1 point. See, this is the circular coil. See, again you have to show that this one. Look at me in the full picture.
Yeah.
See, this is the axis of the circular coil. 2 points are there. 1 point may be here, 1 point may be here. The ratio of the field is 8:1, means 8 is first point, 1 is the last point. Why I am telling this one? Because far point will be have less magnetic field, near point is had more magnetic field. Am I right or no?
Yes, but they gave the distance, right?
Huh.
They gave the distance. They gave first distance and second. Why they give the ratio also?
See what they are telling to ask, what they are asking to calculate. Radius. So there are 2 cases. See, for this type of question, please understand. I will now you come to the whiteboard. See, same things what I shown you pictures, I will draw here. Let us say 1 point is your P is here. What is that? Let me read the question once more. The magnetic field 2 point on the axis of a circular coil at a distance 0.05. D is 0.05. Let us say this is the point P1 and this is the point P2. Is it clear?
Yes.
So their magnetic field B1 is given, B1 is not given, and they are telling B1 over B2 is equal to how much? Please tell me.
8 to 1.
Yes, 8:1. Agreed? Up to agree? Up to. Now write the formula. What is the problem now? Case 1. What is the formula? B1 formula you write. B1 is equal to mu 0. Please tell me the formula. I am not remembering. I have to look again book.
Mu 0 I on n r square.
N r square divided by
2r square plus d square in 3 divided on 2.
Correct? Now the current magnetic field means I will be the same. Na? I we are not changing. Am I right?
Yes, so it's gonna just be removed, I and n.
Not removing. No. I am saying I and n and R also. Because the same coil. Na? Just I am changing the distance from this point to this point. Am I right? So what is the changing here? Please write here. Mu 0 I n also not changing. R square we are not changing. 2 R square we are not changing. D we are changing. What is the D? First D for B1?
0.05.
0.05. B2, please calculate the B2.
Can you just, maybe it's actually, I also didn't use correct formula. Let me just see this question, Sam. So circular coil, 100 turns with a mean radius of 9.02 meter, placed on plane perpendicular to vertical component of earth field. So it's so vertical component of earth field.
See, a circular coil 100 turns is there, and with mean radius is given 0.09 meter, is placed with its plane perpendicular to the vertical component of the
Earth field.
earth field. What does it mean? Please tell me.
It means that like this, that for example, earth field.
No, you show me something like that. What I am showing you, you please show me like this one. Something you are showing.
So earth field goes like this.
Okay, earth field will goes horizontally. Please take the horizontally. Okay, horizontal.
This is vertical component.
Okay, vertical component. Okay, yes, you are right. Ha, yeah.
Vertical component.
Ha. Where is the coil? Where is the coil?
Like this, or like this.
No, you just read this one, na. What is this one saying? The plane perpendicular to the vertical component. Plane is perpendicular. Plane is perpendicular.
Yeah, like this, no?
Plane is yes, you are right. You are right. Now this is the plane, and this is your. So this plane also. What is the direction of the magnetic field due to your plane? Vertical only.
This is where I got stuck, because you told me that it depends where the current is gonna go also.
No. Listen. No. Don't keep it your. This coil.
Okay.
This is the coil. Correct, na?
Yeah.
Where is your see your magnetic field? You remove it. Your magnetic field. You remove it. Yeah. Now you look here. This coil. What is the direction of the magnetic field due to this coil? Please tell me.
So like 1 second. It depends where the
No. You are doing na yaar, something. Your right hand. You are trying na.
Yes. So if
it will be either no. It will be either vertically up way or down way. Am I right or not?
Yes.
See, listen. This is your coil, correct? If you flow the current, then magnetic field will be either up or either down. Correct na? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
And this your magnetic field, earth man. Now you bring your magnetic field earth. Correct na? This is also perpendicular. It may be also perpendicular up or down. So
you mean it can go like this or like this?
Like this, yes. But it is also telling their resultant is 0. It means both are in opposite direction. Am I right or not? One is going up, one is going down. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes. So if
no. Look, one minute.
I understand now.
Why it is telling 0? 0 means
the same value, but they are different directions.
Different directions. So B value we are earth met. This is the Y component they have given. So it means By component is equal to induced magnetic field.
Yes.
By the coil. Is it clear? By the
yes.
Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Good.
Okay, so from here you just need to find I. Okay.
Would you like to do this question, or you want to do in your house?
No, I can do this. This calculation is not hard. I mean, calculation is I can do.
Yeah.
Okay, I have some other questions because I was trying to revise like a previous topic, so I wanted to do some question from there.
Yeah. Please put it.
Okay, so it's like on the top here, you see?
Yeah, I will take these questions on the next
12 and 62.
Can we take on the next page?
You taking it?
Yeah, I'm taking. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it now?
Yes, yes. So
Please
the
take.
query is, yeah, so velocity of projectile at initial point A is 2I plus 3J. Its
What does this
velocity
mean?
in,
Please tell me. What is the meaning of 2I plus 3J meter per second?
it's a vector.
It is a vector in which direction?
Positive.
No. See, 2I and 3J. It means this is the velocity, basically. But its component 2I and 3J. It means I is x direction. It means this is the direction 2 meter per second, and this direction
3. Okay.
3.
Uh-huh.
Is it clear or not?
Okay, now I understand. Okay, so then you need to write at the point B, you need to draw tangent, and then you need to, um,
No,
and
no, no,
then,
no, 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 no. What is the velocity at point B? Means B, see, every point is had two velocity. One is horizontal and one is like downward, or what you can say. Correct or not? If it is going up, it is.
yes,
So here what is the velocity, please? One velocity is this way and one velocity is
is
downward.
down. Mm-hmm.
Correct or not?
Okay.
So you have to find the horizontal velocity and the
Vertical.
vertical velocity. Good. How you will
So,
find the vertical velocity?
so
Please
it's
tell me.
gonna be 2I minus 3J then.
2I minus 3j. You are very right. How you have calculated? How you have
Um,
thought? Please tell me you are right.
I mean,
You,
I don't know.
you are,
I just took
no,
the
no, you, it means you have seen the answer.
no, but this is like
How you,
you just take the same values, right? X value and Y value. You just take a different
then why
direction. Why?
minus it is taken?
Huh?
Why minus it is? Either plus is there. So why you have taken minus here?
Minus because Y component goes down.
Yes. See, basically I will tell you. Please listen. This is a projectile motion. We have already taught you. Horizontal direction velocity no change. Why?
Because
Yes,
it's
it's
constant.
constant. Very good. Horizontal velocity no change. What is the horizontal velocity? 2 meter per second. So it will remain 2 meter per second up to the end of the motion. So it will be 2I, correct? Now comes to the vertical direction. What the vertical direction velocity you can calculate? Which formula? What are the things is given vertical direction velocity? Initial
Yes,
velocity is
yes.
given.
So
B
vertical.
initial is equal to 3 meter upward. A is given minus 10 downward. Then what
Y
you want?
minus 10.
9.8?
Because
No, no, you tell me what you
okay.
want. 9.8 want or 10 you want? I don't mind.
No, we can
Then
take 10. 10.
what we want here? We want vertical direction when d becomes 0. Distance travel is 0. Because here you see first it will goes height d. Then again at this point d will be 0. What we want?
0.
BF. We have to calculate. So please look up formula 1, 2, 3, 4. Which formula you want to use? Please tell me.
D is, so maybe V square is equal to U square plus
Yes. V
2AD.
square is equal to U square plus 2AD. Please calculate in your notebook and tell me what is the BF you are getting.
So V is equal
3
to 3.
or minus 3.
Yes. I mean, It's supposed to be
What
minus
are
3,
you
but
getting? You tell me
it
that.
comes off. No, I'm getting 3.
Then some mistake you are doing. Please tell me what formula you are using. B square is
V square is equal to U square plus 2AD.
B
So D is 0, so it's going to be 0.
B square.
Then V square is equal
B
to
square
U
is equal to
square.
U square. Correct na? B square is how much? Please tell me.
U square is 3, 9.
So B is equal to plus minus U. Is it clear? Because you are taking square. Am I right? Now you have to apply here your mind. Plus cannot be possible because at this point particle is going down. Is it clear?
Yes,
Minus
yes. So
sign.
then you
Plus
take
sign you have
minus.
to ignore it. Is it clear or not? Good.
Yes, yes.
Okay, next.
Okay,
Yeah, please
there's
tell me.
one more question. It's on the previous page, 1 second.
Any doubt you please ask me 2-3 times if you have.
Okay, okay.
Where?
Oi. Okay, it's not this question. 1 second. It's on the previous page.
This one. This one? Where it is going?
Yes. I'm
No,
trying
no,
to
first.
download here.
Yes.
So basically, find resultant of 3 vectors A, O, OB, OC. So I'm just a little bit confused which vectors to add first.
Which vectors you will add first? You tell me. If the two vectors are 90 degree, first you add that, or 45 degree you want to add?
I mean, I was trying to add
Yes.
two perpendicular
Very good.
OCOA.
See.
But then I don't know how to add this.
Okay. See, sometimes it is a very easy questions. See, if a vector is this way and one vector is this way, perpendicular, both are equal. Both are y equal. They have given OA and OC. Both are equal to R. Is it clear? What is the resultant of these two vector? If two vector at 90 degree, they will be must be at the this direction or not? Which direction?
Okay, I understand. Yes, yes. So you just say that resultant just multiply.
Resultant of what you says?
So resultant of OA plus OC multiply on 2 because
no, I have not told same. I told they are working at 90 degree. First thing I told this one 90 degree. So what is the resultant you take? Resultant of R is there. What I says here, it will resultant. I will write resultant. RES resultant is equal to square root of R square plus R square. Are you agree with me or not? Please tell me. Are you agree? Resultant will be root 2R. Agreed?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Now which direction it will be there? In the bisector direction, this direction, in the direction of OB. Because it is 45 degree. You look here how they are just. It is a very easy questions because they are mentioned. This is the bisector. Means OB and resultants both are in the same direction. OB and resultants are both and
Mm-hmm. So they're both in the same direction. Okay, so
you
you
tell
need to
me
add them?
two force is working in the same direction, you will add or subtract? Add. It depends on the direction. Your answer is wrong. No, you tell me I am correct
Okay.
or you are right. If the it depends on the direction. If the both the force in the same direction,
Yes,
huh?
yes, I understand.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Here
Mm-hmm.
it is on the same direction. So you have
So,
to add. It means what you have to add?
mm-hmm.
Resultant plus
Root 2
yes.
r plus
So
r.
final resultant. You should write final resultant.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now I
But
understand
you
how
should
they
not.
did it.
You
Mm-hmm.
have to apply your mind. This type of questions you have to use your mind. Correct, na? You cannot
Mm-hmm.
memorize.
Yeah, I mean, I was able to. I didn't think about that this vector resultant is going to be also like you can draw it like this also. You can draw it
Okay.
like a
What is the
triangle, and you
general
can draw it
formula
like
for
this
the getting
also.
the resultant direction? Are you aware? See, suppose if I will ask you two vectors are there. Suppose this is one vector, another vector is this one. This is the
Mm-hmm.
vector A, vector B. How you will
Mm-hmm.
find? Suppose this is the vector working at theta degree. Hmm.
Yeah, so you need to do you need to do A multiply on B, like mode of A multiply on um, mode of B multiply on cos theta.
No. Resultant, how you will
Resultant.
find out? See, the resultant, for getting the resultant, first you think you should draw the, this is vector is not common point. What you have to draw the one parallel vector here. And this
Yes.
is your resultant. Which is the resultant? Diagonal.
Like, yes, diagonal from here to here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Mm-hmm.
This is the resultant. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now, how to find this angle theta? Theta is already there. Theta is the angle between these two. What is this? Let us say alpha. How to find?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
This alpha, you have B and you
See,
have
you
AB.
just draw the extension.
So,
I will tell you how to find. Just you see, this is the learn trigonometry. What I did, this is the B. This is the same as A also, because A we have drawn the parallelly. Is it clear or not?
mm-hmm.
This angle is
Yes.
how much? This is the theta. Same it is, this theta is only there. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the
Yes.
value of, let us give the name. O, here B, A, B, we have, let us say that P, Q and R.
Mm-hmm.
Please tell me the triangle P, Q, R, small triangle. Correct na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sin theta is equal to how much?
Sin theta is equal to PQ divided
PR.
on
PR is nothing
PR.
but A. PR is nothing but mod
Yes.
of A. PQ
Yes.
divided by mod of A. Or PQ is equal to
Mm-hmm.
A sin theta. Agreed?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Then what about the
Mhm.
QR? Please tell me. Hmm?
QR.
QR is equal to, similarly, so cos theta is equal to, we can find out QR. Cos theta is equal to QR over A. So QR is equal to A cos theta. Is it clear?
Mhm.
What is our
Mhm.
target? We are not get finding the QR and PQ. Our target is to get what?
The
Angle. So
angle.
what is the angle? Tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to how much? Tan
Alpha
alpha.
is equal to PQ.
PQ.
PQ on OR of
Yes. OR.
PQ plus RQ.
PQ is how much? A
A sine theta.
sine theta. OR is how much? B.
B.
RQ is how much? Yes.
A cos
If everything
theta.
is known, A is known, B is known, and theta is nothing but angle between these two vector. Is it clear or not?
Mhm.
In this previous case, you
Yes,
put
yes.
it. Previous case, what are the things is given? A is R, B is R, and theta is 45 degree. Am I right or not?
Mhm.
Which one? Please put it.
Yes, yes.
A is R. So I will tan alpha is equal to R. Sine theta. Sine theta is how much? 45. 90
45.
degree. Na? Theta is what?
45.
Angle between A and B. Two vectors. No, no, you are doing the
90,
mistake
90.
here. Please.
Oh, in which I don't understand which problem you're talking about.
I
You're
am
talking about the
talking
previous
about this
question?
question. What is the
Uh-huh,
between
okay.
the A and B? This and this. 90 degree,
This is
because I
90
am
degrees,
taking the,
so
why I am
sine
proving
90
that this
is
is a
1.
45 degree, how it is coming resultant.
Ah,
What
okay,
resultant
okay.
is here na? I told you same direction. How you will agree? So that is the reason I am just
Mm-hmm.
calculating alpha. So R sine
Mm-hmm.
90. Sine 90 is how much? 1.
Sine 90 is 1. And then B is R. And cos theta is
0.
going to
So
be
R
0.
over R is equal to 1. So we can,
Is 1. So alpha is equal to
yes.
45.
45 means it is in the
Mm-hmm. Now in
same
this.
direction what you are given in the POP. Am I right? Now either you have
Mm-hmm.
to add the resultant or subtract it. You see the direction. Both are, if it is in the same direction,
Mm-hmm. If they're in the same
if
direction,
opposite
then you
direction,
add
subtract
and
naturally.
subtract.
Correct na? Okay, next
Mm-hmm.
you ask here.
Mm-hmm. Um, that's it.
Any more question is there? You please tell me here. You no.
No, no, for now, no. Maybe if later I'll do more
Okay.
questions.
Now you want to do some. Shall I take a 2 minutes break? Is it okay or no?
Okay. Yeah, 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 it's okay.
Because I have spoken. 1 second. 2 minutes, just give me break. Okay. Two
Yes,
minutes
yes,
later, I will
okay.
call you again.
Mm-hmm.
2 minutes or 5 minutes? Five
Okay,
minutes
okay.
break. Will do.
Okay, okay,
Okay. Thank you.
okay.
very important things, correct na? First things, we have learned the magnetic field, correct? Magnetic field you have learned, am I right? How to calculate the magnetic field due to a long wire, correct na?
Yes.
Due to a circular wire, you have learned. Now I am going to uses of the magnetic field, going to use the magnetic field property, correct na? Magnetic field can be produced by anything like magnet or wire, correct na? Am I right? Just you listen for two minutes my lecture, you
Yes.
listen, it is not useful, but just for interesting purpose. Then after that you note down.
Okay.
See, the magnetic field can be produced by either circular wire or a magnet. But if the magnetic field is given, suppose this is the direction of the magnetic field, correct? If I keep one magnet here, what will happen? In the magnetic field, a magnet has been kept. What will be happen? It will experience some force, correct na? It will experience some force. Okay, that I will discuss. Second things, if I put the magnetic field, some wire, electric wire shall I put it? What happen? Is it experience the force or not? Yes. How much force
Yes.
it is there? It depends on
From
the
magnetic field.
magnetic field strength. Now you can write. Now start, his class is started. Okay, yeah. See the force on the magnetic wire. Suppose one magnetic wire is there. Okay. What happened? This wire.
This is it has like an
No,
angle
what are the
with
things
the
it depends
direction of
on?
the magnetic.
It depends on
What is
force.
it depends on?
Any force will act on the wire or not?
Yes.
I am
Can
saying
you say a question again?
the magnetic field is exist B. If I put some wire of length AB, it is carrying a current I. Is any force act on the wire or not? Yes, it will be acted.
Yes, yes. Force from B is gonna act on the wire, but with the angle.
Yes,
Because
I will
it
tell you.
goes by the
The
angle.
force on the wire is equal to I. What is the I? Current through the wire. If I is more, force will more. I is less, force will be less. I, length of the wire, this length. In the direction vector, I direction we will take. I into L. I into L. Then what is the anything other than this depend on?
Yes, angle.
Angle is also
Angle,
I,
theta.
L cross B. What if I take cross vector product? Then automatically angle will come what? Sine theta. What is the formula for L cross B? A cross B. Remember or forgotten?
Yes. It's going to be mode of L and mode of B
I
on
is scalar, so
sine.
I will be remain as it is. L mod of L into B again. then yes,
Then sine theta. And then on
perpendicular
unit
to
vector
both. Is it clear?
to both of them. Yes.
Perpendicular to both. Is it clear or not?
Mhm.
Both how I will both
Yes.
how you will take the direction, please tell me. Both how you will take
Out.
the direction.
Like perpendicular to this
I have
plane.
taught you something like this one.
Like this one. Okay.
This is the what?
So if
Hmm.
wire, if wire is like this, like
You
E.
have to see the finger can be
So
bent only in the one direction. You have to keep your finger in the direction of L, in the direction of, and bend
in the
towards
direction of L.
B.
Okay.
Bend towards B. Am I right or
B.
not? Thumbs will
So then the unit
thumb
vector is
direction.
gonna be
Yes.
up this
Am
one,
I right? It depends on the situation where you are keeping. Where is the wire? What is the we will discuss different situations. So please, you understood this one. In this case, what? Huh?
Yes.
In this case, what
Yes,
will
yes.
happen? Which direction will be there? Please tell me. Just keep your hand and then tell me.
Mm, I mean,
Come
it's gonna
out.
come out of this.
Come out or
Out.
come
Gonna come.
in. You just check once more. Like this, you keep in. Means you have to keep your finger in this direction because you have to L is this direction and you have to bend towards B.
Yes.
Correct na? So the thumbs will be towards you, just towards the, not towards you, towards the monitor, towards the inside the monitor. Not able to do?
Okay.
No. Okay, simple. No.
Wait, but B is going this way, right? B is going
If the
with the
same direction, then theta
with
is
L.
0. Then it is all things will be 0. There is no force. Some difference is angle is there, na? You
Okay.
yeah, just keep it like this one.
Okay, I understand what you mean.
Are you able to see me or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
You keep like this hand, correct na? And then bend slowly like this one, correct? So I L cross B. Is it clear? Any wire of length L, if you keep in a magnetic field, the force experienced by the wire is equal to I L cross B. Is it clear? Any doubt? No.
No.
Now one more things, then we will apply this formula. Suppose the magnetic field is there. What is the direction of this magnetic field? Please tell me.
It's going
Which side?
inside.
Inside, into the page. It is called as into the page.
Into the page.
Correct, na? Now, suppose a proton or a charge particle is coming here with velocity v. Charge particle, please understand. Let us say charge particle is proton E plus with velocity v. It is coming. it will here no magnetic field, it will go straight up to here.
Why did you put E minus?
You are very intelligent. Good.
It's the same.
Yes, you I now
Okay.
I understood that you are keeping your proper attention. Proper attention means you are very concentrating on this topic. Good. Your concentration is very nice. Yeah, please tell me what happened to this one.
Mm-hmm.
This particle will what happen once it is entered this one. See, basically charge flow of charge is what the current is there or not? Correct na? Flow of
Yes.
charge only current na? Current.
Yes.
But here we are
Is
not
a
taking the
current,
current.
yes,
Current
flow.
formula we have already discussed. Just I am linking. Okay. So the force on this charge particle F is depends on what? Q. Q is what? Charge. It may be 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb or whatever it may be. Correct? Then V. V is what? Velocity of whose velocity? Yes.
Of the charge.
Velocity is a vector. I will write the vector. Then B.
The B
Yes.
cross on B or
Please tell me which direction the force will work. Now your hand, you move it, open your hand and then decide the direction of the force. I will not give any idea. Keep your right hand free.
so.
No, you just bent. I don't want to see your hand, but I want what is the direction of the force. Final result you want. I want. You move the direction of the whatever direction you want.
Direction of force is going to be like this.
Sure. No. That is
I don't know.
correct. Good. You are right. The direction of the force will be on the top. If the direction of the top is there, what happens to this charge particle? It will be go straight. If the direction of the force is up, you told na, you just now you told na.
Yes.
So what will happen?
Yes. So the charge particle
little bit up means it will be goes like this one, correct? But suppose here, here what is the velocity here? Here velocity is in this direction. Again, see, you told here, you look here. You told me that at this point, let us say this point is somewhere, let us say point number 1. You told force direction is on the upside. Am I right or not? You told force direction is upside. Look here, velocity is perpendicular to the force. Am I right or not? You told, I have not told. You told that velocity is perpendicular, sorry, force is upside perpendicular to the velocity. Am I right? And second things you told, due to the force, it will be bent towards up. Am I right or not? Now at this point, let us say this is the point number 2. Please think very carefully which direction force will work again. Velocity is given in the tangent direction and B is into the page. I want which direction force will be there. Please tell me. Think over and then tell me. Which direction?
The same direction?
Up. Why? Velocity is in
Up.
this direction, yeah. Then you make the velocity perpendicular. You just use your right hand. You are not using your right hand.
I mean, it's going to be like, it's going to be
Very
like
good.
this?
See, here also perpendicular, correct na? It means what? Charge will move in a circular path. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Okay,
Charge will move on a circular path and force
Yes,
direction
okay.
is towards the radius.
Radius.
Yes,
So it is the
centripetal force. Who will providing the centripetal force? This one. This is.
This force.
Is it clear? This is your centripetal force. Is equals to how much? Please tell me. Forgotten.
Centripetal force. Omega. No. Omega
No,
PR.
remember.
Something.
No, 2 PR is the
2
periphery.
PR.
Centripetal force.
1 second. It's going to be
Over?
mv square.
Yes.
Radius.
M V square over radius. Is it clear? Okay. So QVB, here V and B, what is the angle between the V and B? B is going here in this direction. B is perpendicular. So B is 90 degree. So QV cross B is equal to QV into B into sine 90. Is it clear? Sine 90 is 1. So if I take the mod, it is equal to QVB is equal to MV square by R. Very important formula. When a charged particle moving in what? Moving in circular path due to what? Yeah, you should say first the charged particle moving in a magnetic field.
Okay.
So VV cancel. Correct or not? What is the R? If I want to ask you what is the R? R is equal to nothing but MV by QB.
QB.
Is it clear? What is the time period? If it is rotating means in a circular path, then what is the time? How you will define the time? Yes.
Time. 2
Time. Think over. What is the time? Time period. Time period to complete one.
To complete one. I mean,
Yeah.
time period to complete one circle.
2PR is the distance. Yeah. 2PR is the circle.
2PR multiply on
by
V.
T. This time in.
Divide.
See, you are
yes.
forgetting very thing. You are forgetting the things very fast. So time period is equal to 2 pi R by V. Can you put the value of V? Or R you keep it? V or R you remove it? You put the V. R is equal to how much? 2 pi MV by QB into V. V cancel. T is equal to twice pi M by Q B. Very important formula. Is it clear? These are the formulas depends on the question to questions. Which formula you have to utilize? Please understand. You should know how to establish one relation. You should know how to create one relations between velocity, charge, time period, everything. Correct na? Memory will not help here. It depends on the question to questions what they are asking. Is it clear? Time period. What is the time period means you understood?
Yes, how much time is it going to take for a particle to
Full circle
create a full
rotation.
circle?
You are tell in the physics language time required to complete one rotation. Is it clear? Now look here. Which charge I have taken here? Please tell me. Yes.
Which charge? Where?
Proton is what?
Like a proton?
Positive charge, na? If I take
Yes.
negative charge, then what happen? Please tell me. Then what
Electron?
happen? Yes, electron. Then what happen? If I take electron, then what happen?
The
It will be goes in the same direction.
then the Q is changing. Q is changing.
Sorry. Q is negative,
Q
becomes
is
negative. Yes,
changing.
Q is changing. Then what happened to the
Yes.
radius? It is same circle. It is same or anything will be changed. Yes, it will be goes in the this way. Which way? This way. Force direction will be opposite. Please remember, force direction most of the time it will be asked for the force direction of the force. Okay. First you use your right hand. If negative charge is also given, you use your right hand. Don't go for the left hand for the negative charge. Use your right hand. And then change the direction of the force. Just change the opposite direction.
On opposite.
Is it clear? I am giving one situation. Suppose an electron is coming like this with velocity. Which direction it will move? Please mark it.
Which direction?
Please do it. How it will goes?
It's gonna go. It's gonna go this direction.
Like this. Then it will be come out with the same speed or the different speed. Is the speed is changing or not? My question. Next question.
Yes, I'm thinking.
Why?
Yes,
In the
speed is
centripetal
changing.
force, have you learned that force is perpendicular to the velocity? No work is done. Speed will not change.
So okay, speed will not change. But if it's going into the magnetic field, the speed is not going to change.
It's going to
It's
change
just
only
going to change
direction.
direction.
Why speed is not changing? It is a
Because it's a circular motion,
force,
rotation.
no work done. Work done is zero. force is equal to QVB. Correct, na? Now look here, another situation. This is the direction of the B. If suppose charge particle is going in this direction, which direction? What happened to this one? Please tell me. Which direction it will move now?
This is which
Okay, let us
part
take
of
whatever the
direction?
electron you want to take electron.
So if it's electron, it's gonna go like this. If it's electron, it's gonna go
First
to the
thing,
left.
you have to take the velocity. If component, two component. Which component?
Y.
This
component
direction
Y
in the
and X.
direction of this one B, and this is the perpendicular. Because first thing you should do the perpendicular component, because then only we can write the equation for the force. So it will be V, what is the direction here? V sine theta and V cos theta.
Theta.
Is it clear? V sine theta, sorry, opposite, yeah. In this direction V cos theta will be there. So the force will be act on which component? Perpendicular component or horizontal component? What we have learned today? What we have learned? Force is equal to Q. Yes, perpendicular component. In this direction, he will move without any acceleration. Means the charge will rotate also and it will be move also. Is it clear or not? No.
No. Charge will rotate and will
V
move
cos
in the
theta
direction
direction,
of V
not
also.
V.
Yes.
V cos
I'm
theta.
saying B.
Yes,
B.
in the direction of B. You are right. Yeah. Yes,
B.
you are
Yes,
right.
yes. Magnetic field.
Correct, na? So what is the direction of the force here in this way? What is the direction of the force? How it will be move?
To the left.
Yes, direction of the
Direction
force.
of force. A force is gonna move. Force. It's supposed to move to the right. I don't know. It's
Right?
not
How
correct.
it will
No,
be
it's not
direction of the
correct.
B. It should be perpendicular to the both.
Yes.
Put your finger, na. Put your finger in the direction of B.
Yeah, I'm trying, but it's, I don't know. It's gonna be coming out
Electron is there, na.
of the page.
Electron is there. So it is coming out. Correct, na. So how it will be rotate? It will rotate in the vertical circuit like this, correct na?
Okay, okay.
And
Yes.
simultaneously it will goes forward also, correct na? So it will be goes like a spring. How it will be goes?
Like it's gonna go to the
It
side
will be
and
goes
gonna go
like a
up also.
spring, like this one. Is it clear? Rotate as well as moving forward. Am I right or not?
So can you tell me again, the fingers they direct where the charge
First
is
you put
moving?
in the direction of the V finger.
First in direction of B.
Bend to
You mean
velocity.
velocity?
Which direction velocity is there? V sine theta direction, not in the direction of V. And put
Yes,
your
yes,
bend
yes,
your
yes.
finger towards B. Which direction your thumb is going? No,
Down.
thumb is going into the page.
But yeah, yes,
Yes,
but
B
B
is
is
going to the
going to
right.
the right.
So your thumb is going like this one. See, like this you have to keep. And then like this you have to bend.
So it's gonna be going down. The thumb is
Inside
gonna
the
be going inside the page, but because
because
it's a
of the
helicon,
electron it will outside.
it's gonna go outside.
How it will be bent then? Circular path like this one, like this. Is it clear or not? Circular path means like this one, like this. Is it? This is the direction of the B.
Yes.
Electron will move like this one. Is it clear? It is
Yes.
called helical path. What is the path it is called?
Helical path.
Correct, na? Helical path means you want to see the image of the helical path, or you understood? Understand.
Yeah,
Then
I understand. Because it's moving in the
Forward
circle and
direction.
also it's
Left.
moving,
Yeah.
like displacement is happening. So
Okay. Now one word is coming, time period you have known, pitch. Yeah.
peach.
Pitch means see, one circle it is complete. One circle if it is complete, it is move some horizontal direction also. Means if one circle is complete, correct na? It is comes some distance here. Am I right or not? This distance due to horizontal movement. If it is horizontal movement is not there, what happens? Circle will be completed like this. Think over there. Just you think, then you tell me. So the
Yes, I understand. Then it's just going to be one circle, like it's going to be only circular path.
Then what
not
is the pitch?
helical
Pitch
path.
is this distance between the two circles. Circles. What is the distance between these two circles? This pitch. Pitch is equal to how much? This distance is the horizontal distance. Horizontal distance between the two circular paths. Correct na? Is equal to how much? Horizontal velocity v cos theta into time. Which time? Time period for one rotation. Yes.
Period.
You should remember that. Horizontal distance means v cos theta into time period. Is it clear? So let us take some questions here, then we will do further. Put some questions.
Okay.
I will put some question, or you want to put? Please put it.
I don't.
Just
I don't
take
know where
one or
these
two questions
from this topic. Is this cylindrical wire? No, it's not cylindrical. Is it a magnetic field at the center of a circular current carrying coil? No.
Okay, I will take. I'm taking. Or one or two topics more is there. Shall I explain that one also? Or shall I
Yeah,
do
you
one
can
questions?
explain.
Please tell me. Okay, I have did helical wire. One very good questions I found for helicals. Just 1 second. You will just it is if I do this question.
Is it called the
Ampere circles
Ampere
law. Yeah.
circular law? A hollow cylinder.
I am sending questions. Huh?
What does it mean, toroid?
Toroid.
Toroid.
Toroid is the coaxial. This one when it is made a circle means coaxial wire means solenoid bent in that form of a circle. Yeah.
Circle. Mm-hmm.
One questions I will do.
Oh, did you
I am
send it
sending
or
just
are you
1 second.
sending?
It is. Can you upload it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It is a. Yeah. Can you read this question?
Beam of proton with a large with a velocity 4.4 on 10 minus 5 enters uniform magnetic field of 0.3 Tesla at the
Yeah.
angle of
60
60
degree to
degree to
the
magnetic field.
magnetic field. Is it clear? B is how much? Please tell me.
V is 4 on 10 minus 5.
B.
Oh, sorry, 10 on 5.
B magnetic field B.
B 0.3 Tesla. Angle theta is 60 degree.
See here. Find the radius of the helical path.
Radius of a
And
helical
also
path.
find the pitch of the helix. Pitch.
Pitch. Okay, how to find
Radius we have
radius?
given na QB square. Very simple. Just first you make the sketch. What you are tired? I think you are looking tired now.
No, I don't know. Just a little bit. I don't know. Maybe because
Morning.
it's in the morning. I don't know.
At what time you are waking up generally? Okay.
It depends, like 7 a.m.
So this is the x direction and this is your y direction. This is your x direction and y direction. Let us take one direction as the b. Which direction shall I take the b? See, the beam of photon with a velocity enters in a uniform magnetic field 0.3 Tesla at an angle of 60 degree with the magnetic field. So 60 degree with the magnetic field. Which direction shall I take the magnetic field? Shall I take in this direction b? Okay. So which direction velocity will be go?
60 degrees, so like it's gonna be like this.
Yes.
Velocity like this.
Velocity will be goes like this one, 60 degree. What you have to take first? Component. Am I right? Which component?
On y and on x. So this is going to be v cos theta, v sin theta. Horizontal v cos theta. And vertical v sin theta.
Correct. How it will be moved? Which direction? Please make it. B is given. V you got it. What direction it will move?
It's a proton, so it's gonna move inside the page.
Inside the page. Inside the page means it will move on a circle like this one. Vertical circle.
Vertical circle.
Like this. Is it clear?
Yes.
So first things, what are the things is given? V sin theta. Correct na? So what they are asking?
Mass of proton, also they give mass of proton.
Charge is also given. Radius they are asking. Find the radius. Radius, which formula you will apply?
Radius, this formula, QVB is equal to
mb square by r. See, first you should write the formula, then you fit. QBB is equal to mv square by r. Is it clear? But V is what here? V is what? Which V you will? One V is cancelled, but V which V you will take? V cos theta or V sin theta or B?
I will take B cos theta.
V cos theta or sin theta you will take? Perpendicular, which one you will take? Perpendicular, na? No, think over then. V sin theta you will take, na?
Oh, this where we need to find the radius. So,
V
yes,
sin theta B is equal to M. Here in this B, this so one is also B sin theta only, na, because the same B it is taking, na.
Okay. Yes.
Same B you are taking or not?
Yes.
Correct. Everything is given. Can we find out the R? Everything is given or
Yes.
anything is missing? You please tell me.
No, everything is given. Q is given. V is given.
Mass is
Sine theta is given. B
so I will not solve
yes.
it this one. You can complete it this one. Correct?
Yeah,
Now
yes,
next
yes.
question, next things is what they are asking. Pitch. You just note
Pitch.
down for the calculation R. I will write the answer. R is equal to 0.012 centimeter meter. Okay. R is
Okay.
okay. Now what is they are asking next? Pitch.
Next
For
pitch.
pitch, first what you have to find out. Pitch is nothing. Time period.
Time
T.
period,
T is
time
equal to,
period.
you know that 2 pi r. Why?
Pi r 2 pi
You know that
r
r you
by
have
v.
calculated. V you V will which V you will use?
Mhm.
Please tell me again. Yes, V
V
cos
cos
theta here you will use it. Is it clear? V am I right now?
Yes, yes, but if you actually put it, so pitch is equal
Huh.
to V cos theta on T, and then when you put
No
V
problem, no
cos
problem,
theta,
no
it's going to
problem.
be
Let it be
cancelled V
cancelled.
cos theta. So it's going to be just 2 PR.
Yeah,
pitch is
no
equal
problem.
to 2 PR.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So pitch I will write 4 point. Pitch is 4.37. You can check it. If I not got your answer, you can check it.
How do you measure pitch? Like
Centimeter distance, na?
also meter?
It is distance. It is in meter. 0.0437.